our train, guys. Anyways, I kind of like this train. I'm even playing with a baby. This is an Amtrak train, and let me try to never mind. And then it's number 962. And here comes the baby again. He wants to lift me up. Look, it's a train. It's a train. Next stop, we're gonna be at. How cute. Where should we sit? Wait a minute, there's a train here. An Amtrak train passes. So Amtrak train passes right there because the bridge you could see train cars. And then an Amtrak train passed here while we were going in.
Yung AirPods. Yan. Radiation. AirPods. Yan yung side effect noon pag everyday. Radiation.
And we're going on the curve.
Radiation.
And we're
Kasi malakas yung
here at
radiation yan
another
eh.
station.
Kaya pala kahapon may tumatawag. Dito, hindi ko marinig. Sabi ko, I can barely hear you.
Yan yun.
Yung pala yung tenga ko may
Sa'yo, di ba? Pasok talaga.
Pasok eh.
Yun ang problema yan. Okay lang yun rin. Dito sa labas.
Tingin ko baka yung wire pa kasi dito. Kaya sa yung wireless.
At saka yung tayo, hindi, ito yung ano ba yung parang, yung dito na sa labas. Yung muffler, yung pang, ano yun.
Parang
No way, I'm cooked.
Kung sa salita
Ano
ako.
yan yun, yung radiation sa loob. Grabe yan.
Yan, he doesn't remove it because he uses it every day.
Ako po. Delikado yan, po.
Yeah.
Meow.
Pag hindi mo nagalan ko, tanggalin mo.
Meow.
Bluetooth too. Bluetooth, it's the radiation.
Wait a minute,
Very
where
strong.
are the cars?
That's why at his school, they require the wired one, not the Bluetooth.
Bank angle, bank angle, bank angle. Yeah, this is kind of my favorite thing. Best of all, Amtrak.
At least safe ka. Kaysa
Oh, how cute.
baon na baon talaga.